Gentlemen, we are back to earnings in Netflix. A wonderful profit, a tremendous profit in Netflix with a target $397. We are almost there. We are at $395. And ahead of earnings announcement, the important trade alert to close entirely short positions. I didn't believe that Netflix it was going to sell further because the stock was down $170 basically, and so betting on the reversal on these particular earnings, and also getting rid of Netflix with a trade alert with the potential to trade up to 397, but no one is going then to buy obviously Netflix after the extraordinary bounce. If you wanted to buy Netflix, it should have been at $323 ahead of the rally and not after the rally. So congratulations to everyone, in particular those that believed here on the guidance to sell short Netflix the most, closing long positions, and also betting on this intermediate or short-term trade coincident with earnings. And I'm going to put here that the target that we already see, so I'm going to basically click here on annotate, and to announce that you should also take profits after hour to lock the important profit, since so I'm going to put here that the target maximum for this trade earnings to be 397, and so here you have, and also to take profits, since this is a tremendous profit in on earnings, so in a matter of less than 24 hours. And here you can see also the positive divergence that I announced. Here you can see it. So ahead of earnings you had this positive divergence, temporary, on the trend. And of course this is about volatility, so this stock is volatile, as you could see in the past, and you had here the crash in Netflix, that 472 all the way down to the 323, where previously I explained last year it was to 309, while that pivot 309 held as support. You had still the long-term trend intact. Nevertheless, you had to sell the stock when I announced it, 472 selling short the most, and betting on the crash, and buying only temporarily, I repeat, ahead of earnings for these bonds, and also taking profits after earnings announcement, since your aim, or the aim that we announced here, to be maximize profits by trading Netflix on both sides of the market. So I leave you here with the code in Netflix, and bear in mind that those that they invested on Wall Street upgrades, they capitulated, they lost all their money, and you bought Netflix after the crash and not after the stock was rallying. That is always the key, as I explained in the past. Nevertheless, I repeat that this important gap to the upside should also be a motive to take profits, since the profit is tremendous. So I announced here also the pivot and the target on this move to the upside, 397. So bye bye, thank you, and good luck for the rest of earnings season.